today I'm going to introduce you to this Lego armored car. So we built it based on this like toy Brinks car. So the front is the same shape, yeah, kind of, and we didn't build a siren because the real car doesn't have the siren. So now let's see the side. So the side we have the 2 doors here, and we have the blue steps here, and now let's see the back. So we have we both have the blue step here, and now so we built the double-sided door because it's easier. So now let's put the charger, so you can put charger in the little back. And so there's like a little box here. Then we put it in. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.